Hi and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to use the Shift-Tab key in order to move from the right to the left within items on our Windows ribbon, as well as individual items in a menu or a dialog box. So with that, let's get started. In our last video, we looked at a very brief example where we could create a table by pressing the Alt key and then going to the Insert item, and then pressing Tab, going to Table, and hitting Enter. Now in this video, we'll actually look at how to go in the opposite direction. We'll do this by pressing the Alt key, selecting the item that we want to go to, so we'll say Review for R, and then rather than press the Tab key and go from left to right, we'll actually press Shift-Tab, pressing Shift, holding Shift, and then the Tab key will move in the opposite direction. This can be really useful if, say, you press the Alt key, you want to go to your Home tab, you're scrolling to something, and you scrolled past it, you actually want to change your font. Rather than either use your cursor and click, or perhaps tab all the way through, you could instead make sure that you're on your Home tab, tab through, we passed it, then you can just press the Shift key and tap the Tab key once. This would allow you to change it to something like, we'll just change it to Rockwell because apparently that's what Excel wants. So then we would type in some text, and this would be a different font than we had originally. So with that, it's a pretty simple, straightforward approach. Tab will move you in this direction, Shift-Tab will move you in the opposite direction. In a later video, we'll discuss dialog boxes, and this is true also if you're in a dialog box. So Tab will move you in this way, Shift-Tab will move you in the opposite way. Of course, if you wanted to use your cursor, you could use your cursor by clicking any of these individual items, and you wouldn't necessarily need the Tab key or the Shift-Tab key combination. However, I find that the Tab key and Shift-Tab are a great way to save time when using Excel. In our next video, we'll look at using the Escape key in order to move up one level when you're in the Windows ribbon hierarchy, such as we achieve by using the Alt key and then one letter, such as H or D for data. So check that out in our next video, and as we like to say here at Productivity Me, thanks for watching.